Are you feeling stuck in your career, wondering why that promotion keeps eluding you? What if I told you there's a hidden roadmap to career success that most people never discover? In this video, we'll unveil the 5 crucial stages of modern career growth that could revolutionize your professional life. If you don't watch till the end, you might miss out on the shocking truth about why some people seem to effortlessly climb the corporate ladder, while others remain stagnant for years. Don't let your dream job slip through your fingers. Hit that subscribe button now to unlock the secrets of unstoppable career advancement. 1. The Rookie Revolution, Mastering the Entry-Level Game. Welcome to the professional world. This initial stage is all about following directions and handling specific tasks. It's where everyone begins, but surprisingly, many people remain here for years. For example, a fresh graduate joining a marketing firm might start by managing social media posts or assisting with client presentations. The key here is to showcase reliability and absorb as much knowledge as possible about the company and your role. 2. Problem-solving prodigy, becoming the go-to fix-it person. At this stage, you evolve from a task doer to a problem solver. You start identifying and resolving issues without constant supervision, increasing your value to the company. Imagine a software developer who not only completes assigned coding tasks, but also proactively identifies and fixes bugs in the system, improving overall product performance. This is where you make others notice your contributions and set yourself apart from the crowd. 3. The self-made scholar, transforming into a valuable asset. This stage marks a significant leap in your career. You're no longer just an employee, you're an asset to the company. You take initiative to learn new skills that benefit the organization and start taking on managerial responsibilities. Picture a finance analyst who teaches themselves data visualization techniques, revolutionizing how the company presents financial reports to stakeholders. This stage requires you to align your goals with the company's vision and become indispensable. 4. The Executive Edge, Mastering Multi-Project Management. Welcome to the big leagues. At this stage, you're executing multiple high-impact projects simultaneously. You've become one of the company's highest income generators. For instance, a marketing executive might be overseeing the launch of a new product line, while also revamping the company's overall brand strategy and mentoring junior team members. Your absence would be a significant loss to the company, as you're now integral to its success. 5. The Partnership Pinnacle, Becoming a Company Visionary. Congratulations, you've reached the summit. As a partner, you're creating entire new revenue streams and directly impacting the company's valuation. Imagine being the executive who proposes and successfully implements the company's expansion into an entirely new market, doubling its annual revenue. At this stage, your value is limitless, and you're in the perfect position to either lead the company or even start your own venture. Now that you've discovered the 5 crucial stages of career growth, you're equipped with the knowledge to strategically advance your professional life. But did you know that mastering these stages could be your ticket to financial freedom? If you're intrigued about how climbing the career ladder can lead to unprecedented wealth and want to uncover more surprising strategies for success, keep watching our previous videos. They dive deep into additional ways to achieve your dreams and reveal the unexpected twists along the path to financial independence. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Click the link in the description to start your journey to career and financial mastery today.